So, again, so number 12 is generate a list of accounts that were active for less than 6 months and calculate the average transaction volume for these accounts. So, i-copy na tong code. Go to SQL. So, select customer account details ID, average from transactions deposited amount plus withdrawn amount from transactions yapon, and as average transaction volume from customer account details ID left. Join natin siya. Transactions T on customer account details equals transactions customer account details ID, and nag-vertas. So gipangita na to is open date time and now, and nag-interval tag 6 month, and then sa close date time is not group by customer account details ID. So let's run it po and then go. So nakita na to customer account details ID and average transaction volume.